Monday, February 9th, 2026. Focus. The people immediately recognized him. The first thing the people did was they recognized Jesus. Since Jesus was present in the flesh, this was physical recognition. Today, we encounter him in his word and in the sacraments. The crowds came to Jesus to get something out of him. They expected to be made well, and they were. Even today, our prayers are synonymous with asking for favors. We want Jesus because he can give us everything, and he does. But do we seek deeper healing he offers us? For many years, lay brothers have been conducting praise and worship sessions in which some amazing healings are often witnessed. These healings are staunchly defended by those who have experienced them. However, the main purpose of healing is to change one's life. Does this happen? Some people who receive great blessings and miraculous healings do not come forward to serve and proclaim the Lord. Jesus knew this and so used to warn people not to tell anyone about his healings. He had come to change hearts and save souls, not merely to heal. Today's readings teach us the importance of the Lord's presence. Jesus is with us to heal us, but much more than that, He is here to give new life to those who believe in Him. Fruit. I will honor the Lord at all times and ask Him to transform me into the person He wants me to be.